Vegan Mark, Vegan Hustle TV, Regan The Vegan, Vegan Recipes, Eco Vegan Gal, Vegan Feeling, Maddie Lymburner, TVA Atheist Channel, Cocina Vegan fcil, Bonny Rebecca, Laura Miller, VeganBlackMetalChef, Charles Marlowe, the Sweetest Vegan, Kalel, FullyRawKristina, Mr. and Mrs. Vegan, Monami Frost, Vegan Power Girl, Jinti Fell, That Vegan Couple, Sorsha, Szkely Vegn, Vegan Games, Thai's Conscious Kitchen, Jon Venus, Sarah's Vegan Kitchen, Family Fizz, Bite Size Vegan, Vegan Footsoldier, The Vegan Corner, The Vegan Zombie, Joey Carbstrong, Hot for Food, Kate Flowers, Unnatural Vegan, MommyTang, Edgy Veg, Mary's Test Kitchen / Vegan Cooking, Chef Jana, The Happy Pear, Shoemaker, Happy Healthy Vegan, Liv B, SweetPotatoSoul, avantgardevegan, Mike, The Vegan, Cheap Lazy Vegan.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye!